Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the video. Today we are in the Wyndham Grand at Bonnet Creek in Orlando, and I tell you what an amazing resort this is. We're only here for one night. I mean, just look behind me. I'm looking at it in the camera now. Such a beautiful resort. We're going to have a little walk around the resort, doing a little explore, you know, just kind of see what's about, because we've not explored yet. We've literally just turned up like 10 minutes ago, unpacked some of our bits, and now we're going to do a little bit of an exploration, see what's about. I think there's, down that way there's a couple, one bar. I'll show you the map if we still have it. Oh, we still have it. I'll show you it now. So this, really quickly before I show you the map, is the view from our bedroom. Some pools down there below. I'll take a little further step out. It is such a lovely hotel. That over there, Epcot's there, and you can see from where we are. Let me try and zoom in. There's the Skyliner over there, look. It is just a really lovely looking, like, I want to say hotel, but it's kind of like a mini city, let's be honest. I mean, look at it, it's beautiful. So this here is the map of the Wyndham Grand. It tells you everything there is, and this bit's probably easy to read. So you've got playground over there, you've got shuffleboard, cornhole, you've got mini golf. I'm interested in doing that, probably not today, but another day. You've got some pizzerias and bits, and it just kind of shows you everything. The fitness centre, we had a look at that because we walked past it on the way up here, but we'll go down there again just so I can show you. And I don't think there's anything actually on the other side. Oh yes, there is, never mind. You got some bits here just telling you about everything, the amenities, the hotel dining. It's really helpful. So this is the entrance I thought I'd show you, walking into the Grand Wyndham, the Wyndham Grand. So walking more to the left side here, there is a gift shop just there that you can go into. And it looks like they've got something going on in the hall up ahead of us, just over there. Then we can go downstairs on this bit. It's very nice down here. They've got a, I think it's called the ballroom or the ballet room. I'll take you through here, and I'll show you that. So this is what they've got. They've got the business kiosk, dining, and the ballet room and meeting rooms. Just down there where they have all their executive rooms, but it's closed. There's no point showing you it. And down here is where we get our dinner. And you can go outside there, which we're going out shortly. This is the dining area. So now walking a little way on from here, you've got the Harmony Spa just down here. Through this corridor also is where the gym and the arcade is. So this is the gym here. We won't go in, but providing no one's working out, we'll just show you a slight look in there. And you've got an arcade in there, which is very nice. Just your generic arcade games. And you've got the Harmony Spa that way, which is just like the Oasis, like kind of pool bit. And then it tells you here what they've got, pool and recreation, which we'll go out that way next. And then it's just an exit down there, nothing down there. So then coming out those double doors, got the outdoor area. This is where the pool is. I think it's closed at the moment though, just because did have a storm earlier and they closed the pool and they said it was closed for the day. But I think it's probably closed for a little while. You get your towels and that over there. And I'm pretty sure all the towels are different depending which area you stay in, so that they know which part. Because obviously they've got like, I think 5 odd swimming pools and 2 lazy rivers. So I think it really depends on where you're staying to which sort of towel you get. But you can still just get like one of those towels from over there and take it over to the other pool. You just have to come here and get your towel first. Which is kind of cool. So as you can see, got the Oasis pool there. And just around the corner is the pirate ship pool. I think that pool's actually open. I won't show you, but there is people in there now, I can see, or one person. Then you've got the pirate ship pool this way. So you've got the pirate ship there, and you can see the slide just about on there. So this is just opposite the pirate ship pool. Nice little view here. So just up here now is the lazy river and the jacuzzi and spa and pool area. And I would show you all of the pools, but it's very busy, and I wouldn't like someone taking videos of me if I was swimming. So I'm not going to be the person that takes video of people swimming, especially when you've got young children in the pools. But I tell you what, these views here, really lovely, never get old. So I've got another bit down here now. There's cute little ducks up here. I think they're called Becky ducks. There was a sign earlier. And they've got little, cute little fluffy hats on. And obviously they've got beware of snakes and alligators. I haven't actually seen any snakes or alligators yet. I've seen lots of millipedes, and ducks of course, but no snakes or alligators just yet. I see a lot of turtles in there though. I tell you what, it's a really scenic walk, this. Really lovely. Especially when it's kind of like middle of the afternoon, so it's not too hot. It's really nice shaded areas if it gets hot as well. You've got lots of little areas like this where there's I think it's called shuffleboarding. You can ask the reception for, I guess, the tools. I don't really know anything about the shuffleboarding. And this is obviously the amphitheatre area. So dotted across the resort, they've got a lot of these sort of maps, so you can see everything there. I'll just leave it there a moment so you can take a little read. Pause the video if you need to read that. It shows you everything, and it also shows you activities going on at the resort. So that's October, you've got a haunted house, and obviously no swimming. Obviously if they've got signs up saying about alligators, probably not a wise idea to go swimming in there. So just on the right of me now, got another pool. So I won't show it, but I'll just show the sort of area on my right here where it is. It's on this boardwalk. So this is a lovely walk. I know we're speaking to some of the people that are staying here and some others that work here, and they were saying that a lot of people do a lot of running along the boardwalk just around the resort. They do a couple laps, and I think they said 3 laps is 5k. I don't do a lot of running, but I know that's quite a good little track to have then. But yeah, this is just really lovely. And they've got a lot of these, what are they called, Jess? They're like, not carabinas, cabanas, that's it, cabanas. They've got a lot of these cabanas. And you can go to reception, ask to hire a cabana for the day if you're in the pool all day. So we won't actually give that a go, but they're probably very, very expensive. Cute little duck. Lots of lovely areas. And there was, when we came here today at the beginning, there was just over here, oh, it's still there, the 2 chairs, but above the 2 chairs and sort of surrounding it was like a willow, and they've taken it down over the course of today. Obviously they must have been working in the rain, but yeah, you see where this is? There's like a wooden willow around it, but it would appear they've got rid of it, so I don't know why they got rid of it. But look at that view there. Get Jose's head out of that, but there you go, lovely view. And I know that if just over there you can see the fireworks at night time, so a lot of these places where the willows are located where you can sit and watch fireworks, with like Animal Kingdom and Magic Kingdom and Disney and that. And another one of those things there, and you've got a play park over here, I think. So this is the park here over on the right side, and I think I see the golf course just up ahead. So this is the mini golf course up here, which just behind it as well as the swimming pool, I believe, and a pizza shack. So it's pretty nice, 18-hole course, very nice. Definitely gonna get a go on that. So just over that way there by the Lady River, that there is another one of the bars, poolside bar sort of thing. So that there is where you get all your hut shack stuff. So just there is where the pizza place is, just over there. So this here just shows you what I was saying earlier about, like, I know it's not probably called a willow, but that's what I'm going to call it. It's like a little thing surrounding the chairs, and that was there earlier on that other one, and then it was not there. But see here, I'm pretty sure I've seen online people were saying that you can, from here, just over that way, you can see Epcot's fireworks at night time. I know they do them most nights, and we've got a pretty good view from our bedroom, to be honest. So I mean, you saw that at the beginning of the video, you can oversee a lot of that, so we probably won't even need to stay here, but still a lovely area to come and sit in the shade. And then obviously if you don't have a room, if your room's like there and you got a balcony there so you can't see that way, come sit here, watch fireworks. So that just over there is, if my camera wants to focus, okay, it's not going to focus, but that is a Another one of the bars I think is being refurbished and redone at the moment. So we won't get to see that this trip, but maybe if we come back another time it'll give us something to look at. So this here is the pool that's, I believe, shut. I mean, there's no one in it at the moment. But these little yellow tanks that you can see on the chairs, those are for if you want to order some food. You can order the food, and it's got a little QR code on it, and they'll bring it over to you at your table. Or if you have a table, they'll just bring it over to you either way. And you can get some food and drink from there as well. So I'll just show you where the shuttle bay is, because I know that's quite a thing that you can do here. It's a cool thing. Go through these doors. I'll get my bearings. And go towards where we came down earlier. That's where the stairs are. And then go through here. It's very quiet here, so I feel like I have to whisper. And then down the end here is where the shuttle bay is, and I know this shuttle can take you to Disney Springs. I'm pretty sure it can take you to everywhere, like all the parks and Disney Springs. Yeah, that's what I said, all the parks. And then obviously you can get it back from there as well. So if we use it on this trip, I'll show you. That was where it was, just out of those double doors, and there's a few people waiting, and I'm quite camera shy, I'm not gonna lie, so I wasn't gonna film with the people there, but I'll insert a photo if I haven't already done it on this clip, so you can see where it is. But that's where the shuttle pickup is. And yeah, now we're going to go back up to the, so there's two levels. There's level, and then there's level. Level is where we're on now, and level is where we came in at the beginning. So back up to the first level. Jess has told me I've got it wrong. It's not level, apparently it's lobby level. So that's a bit embarrassing, but oh well. And you've got Starbucks over here. And then you've got over there is where you can get a drink from the bar. So this is everything we've ordered from Starbucks. Jazz got, what is this, Jazz? Strawberry refresher. I just got a normal latte and a bacon and egg sort of sandwich croissant thing. And then that over there is where we get all our bits and bobs for the lattes and teas and that. I'll see if I can zoom in a bit. There you go. But yeah, all the lovely stuff. This came out to $23.71, so fairly expensive, but I feel like that's America prices in it really. But it is good quality, so I will say that. So this is the bar area where we're sat now. And this is the bar menu that you have here. All your ingredients. Stuff you can buy. I think it's happy hour in about 20 minutes here. Not for me though. I'll be sticking with my lovely Pepsi Max. Right, so we've just got back to the room, and I think that's going to conclude our video today. Hope you have enjoyed every second of the video. Write down in the comments below if you've been here before, and if you have any recommendations of things to do whilst we're here, or if you haven't been here before, what you think you would do if you came here, or when you're coming here. Don't know. But I tell you what, this view behind me, I'm going to sit on this balcony for a while, crack open a drink, because this is a lovely, lovely view. But as I say, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. See you in the next one.